So, a very warm welcome to everyone. Today on Thoughts on Education, we have with us Dr. Amarnath K, the director of Oxford Group of Institutions. Dr. Amarnath started his journey in the corporates after completing his master's in engineering from IISc Bangalore and then a PhD in structural engineering in 2000. After that, sir worked for the corporates about 6 years and then he joined the academics, and he has been associated with the teaching industry in the academics for over 23 years now, wherein he started as a professor of civil engineering in Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, and then he worked as a principal in charge for the New Horizon College of Engineering, Bangalore, and then he was serving as the principal at IIT Bangalore. Sir then, from 2018, has been serving as the director of the Oxford Group of Institutions in Bangalore. Sir has guided a lot of graduate and postgraduate students for the various final year projects on civil engineering and structural engineering topics. Sir is a member of the Board of Examiners for the Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. Sir is also a member of the Local Inspection Committee for VTU. Sir is also a member of the Research Committee of VTU for approving PhD. Sir has written over 50 international papers and 40 national research papers, and all of those have been published. So today, we are really honored and delighted to have Sir on the panel today. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. So, sir, you have been holding quite a number of key positions throughout your career in the academics. So, what are the factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
Serve the students, serve the humanity. This is the one profession we can do a lot more to the students, also people, downtrodden, etc. Because whatever we have learned, we have to give it to someone. We have to share it. Knowledge should be shared. Then only we will learn. By sharing, we will learn a lot. That is my mantra. So we are giving the education to everyone so that they will excel in their career.
And sir, what is the, being the director of the Oxford Group, what is the leadership style that you are following?
Leadership criteria is to see everyone on an equal basis.
Okay.
No, so we should not think any problem or solve any problem with prejudiced mind. We should have fair deal for everyone, whether it is a student or a faculty or a non-teaching faculty or even to the management. As the problem comes, we should discuss without any prejudice or favorism to anybody and try to solve it. Give justice to everyone. That is our mantra.
Okay, sure. And sir, how do you strategize about plans for the administration of your college as well as the marketing for your college? How do you go about strategizing these things?
Our college is a very well-established college in South Bangalore. We started in 2000 and developed from the long 20 years. We have 9 branches of engineering, 2 post-graduations and several MTech programs. Huge opportunities are available for the students here because the placement is nearly 90%. Most of the students are placed, and very good education we are imparting to the students other than technical, also general education also we are giving, so that how to face the problems. Getting job is one thing, then how to face the problems in the life. They should not lose. If a failure should not lead to casualties. So that we are teaching, taking 1 hour of their precious time, so that they should not fail in their life. Whatever the problems is do come, even Prime Minister of India, President of America has problems. Nobody is in this world do not have a problem. But you should know how to face the problem and win over it. That is the mantra everyone should know. You should not lose the opportunity given by God of this beautiful human being.
Sure. And sir, how do you ensure that the curriculum that is followed for all the engineering students? How do you ensure that that curriculum is the best practice in the industry?
Yeah, see, we have so many best practices to the students. We have MOUs with various industries who are offering internship to our final year students. We conduct one seminar in each department wherein current topics of research and innovations are discussed. Eminent personalities will be attending and sharing their knowledge to our students. To bridge the gap between industry and curricula, we are conducting guest lecture from eminent personalities from areas of science, areas of technologies, and very important industries. Monthly, minimum one per department they are conducting, so that students will get the updated knowledge, current topics. Recently, last week, Dr. Manpreet Singh Manna, former director of ACT, has given a webinar. This time, everything, because of Corona, everything is going on online. Faculties, facilities provided to the, all the facilities provided to the students. Rank students were identified based on their performance, past performance. In each branch, we are identified about 10 students, and separate mentor has been allotted to those students. Free books are given to them. Any guidance, notes, whatever they want, are specified foreign author books, etc. also will be provided by the college authorities, so that they should excel further. Because we are giving an atmosphere or a platform to perform and excel whatever the inbuilt knowledge they are having. Mentoring system is existing in the college for those who are not able to cope up with these engineering subjects or some other personal problems also, because so many non-Bangalore students also taking the studying here. So every 10 students, one teacher is mentoring. So they will sit with students as a friend, not as a teacher. Teacher means they may be afraid, but friend means they will open up with a cup of tea. They may sometimes go to their own hostel or where they are staying. They have up in their home and try to ask the questions. What is the problem? Whether that teacher is troubling you or this what is troubling you. Something may happen without our knowledge also. So that has to be addressed. So they will personally note down and come in, report to the management. If possible, they will solve there itself. If that teacher is their own colleague, they will try to convince this teacher student. If the teacher may not be doing purposefully, it so happens sometimes, that is taken care. Good hostel facility is existing. Girls hostel is existing in the college premises itself. We have very good sports facilities in the campus. Carom, TT, hockey. Hockey, our college is the champion last year. Even women's kabaddi is the champion. So women's, ladies, or especially are doing kabaddi fantastically. We also got surprise. Last time we got the first prize in the VTU tournament.
Lovely.
So in that angle, we are looking overall development of the student, not only technical excel. So everyone should have their own, whatever they want to become, that they should achieve in these 4 years of BE course. That is main aim of ours.
Sure. And sir, when you came in 2018 as the director, what was the vision that you saw for the college, and how far along are you in that vision?
We've already NBA and NAC accredited. Atal ranking also we have participated, we got the ranking. This time we are having NIRF ranking. So, and also international association ranking also we have got it. So wherever possibility of accreditation, we are trying and satisfying the requirements of international and national organizations. Next, our aim is to make our college autonomous.
Okay.
Because in the autonomous college, we have the liberty to teach some of the subjects other than VTU curricula.
Yes.
So that is the aim. So some machine learning or some of the other subjects, some AutoCAD design, particular building, we can have our own course. That is the autonomous advantage. Or some students is not done well in particular exam, immediately we can conduct classes after the results and accelerate the course so that his year is not lost.
Yes.
With you, what is happening is if one student fails, 1 year is lost if he is not eligible for the next academic year.
Yeah.
So that will pinch not the student but the parents. Nowadays, 4 years they would have planned. If the student takes 5 years, parent is more stressed than student. Student also, of course, he will feel bad because his friends, all classmates are going 1 year ahead. So therefore, that is the main problem we have faced in some students. So that to plug in. So autonomous has that advantage.
Yeah.
We can have our own classes even after the working hours,
Yes.
4 to 6 or 4 to 7 o'clock. Students are ready to come.
Of course.
So we can brush up the course where they are feeling difficulty, and we can have our own examination. Examination is autonomous. We can have our own examination. However, VTU will give the degree.
Sure.
That way, our aim is to make autonomous. Next aim is to make our own Oxford University. We have about 30 plus institution in the Oxford brand.
Okay.
Whatever you name course, we are having management, science, dental, medical, engineering, of course. Any discipline, science, commerce, whatever the course you name, we have in Oxford brand. Nursing, physiotherapy, everything is available. So we want to make our own university at the high standards. That is the next aim we are looking at.
Sure, sir. And sir, when you talk about going autonomous and having your own curriculum, so what are the priorities according to you for the let's say the engineering college or for the Oxford group as such over the next 10 years? What should be the priorities over the next 10 years?
Then priorities means we have to improve further on the results, and quality of the question papers has to be improved on par with any international universities. Because we have our own autonomous or private university, we should compete with the international bodies.
Okay.
And our teachers should be coupled with the quality of teaching furthermore and give a very balanced question paper settings, and also approach for valuation should be more transparent. Students should not feel that I got less marks, etc. He should be happy. Our aim is our client, that is the student, should be happy students. In that angle, we are working. In addition to that, accreditations we are doing, and also we are planning to start Center of Excellence in each department.
Okay.
And also incubation center in the college. Lot of young minds having wonderful ideas which we may not have. So those ideas we have to incubate and give the startups. Now Government of India has come up with various schemes. AICT also has come up with various schemes. They are sponsoring various projects. So in that angle, we have to take these younger minds into that, incubate them, their ideas. They can have their own startups. We will provide the space. Let them work here and make the company. Let them earn some amount, good amount. Then they can start their own one if they come to that level. Starting, definitely it will be very difficult, any company. So that in that angle, incubation center we are planning in the college campus.
Okay, lovely. Any other plans that you're developing apart from the incubation center?
Any other
Any plans or any courses that you are thinking of starting in the future that will be very helpful for the students?
Yeah, we are starting artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Okay.
Cloud computing, which are the emerging new technologies are there. In each branch, we want to identify one course,
Right.
Which is new, brand new. So that same old reputation should not be there, as the world is changing
Yes.
day to day.
Yes.
as the invention of our software
Yeah.
technology.
Yes.
We were doing it for the students.
Sure, sir.
And also this research was usually at the PG and doctorate level,
Okay.
usually research and innovation. That we have to bring it to the UG level. Even right from the third semester, that is from second year PE, this research component should go. We have to identify the students where they are interested. Some maybe students are interested in material, some may be in design, some other students or maybe design some other subject. In that we have to give them training and see that they excel. So that research papers are published by these students itself.
Yeah.
That is the main thrust looking at in future.
And sir, according to you, what is, let's say the Oxford group, or if you want to talk specifically about, any other branch of Oxford engineering or management, what do you feel will be the greatest strength for your college or your group?
Greatest strength is our good infrastructure, good teaching faculty. Of course, our input of students is also good.
Yes.
And location advantage we have. We are located in the Hostel main road. Metro is coming up now. So any down the lane, another 6 months or 1 year down the lane, student metro is there to be safely student can come from any corner of Bangalore city because of that metro advantage. Safe driving. They will have safe transportation with least wastage of time. Okay, metro station is just in front of our college.
Yeah.
We have given the land for them.
Okay, lovely. So you're saying infrastructure, quality of students, the quality of teachers would be the greatest strength that Oxford can boast of.
Yes.
Sure, sir. And sir, my last two questions to you. One would be that what do you feel in general are the challenges in higher education, and what are some challenges that you feel for the Oxford group?
General? Pardon?
Sorry, yeah. I'm saying, sir, what do you feel are the challenges for the higher education in general as in today, and what are some challenges you face for the Oxford group as well?
But as to come out of, we have to. There is a sort of come out of these challenges. Oxford management is fully proactive. Our chairman is Sri VLN Narasimha Raju, SNVL Narasimha Raju Garu. He is a very dynamic person. He encourages all these things so that we can excel in the education field.
Okay, sure, sir. So my last question to you would be, I would want your advice for students who are starting out their career now and students who are going to pursue their higher education. What would be your advice to them, sir?
Say they should be very punctual and recent trends, technologies. There is a huge innovation is happening. Research magazines, they have to stay or through Google, and they update themselves with the present scenario. If they know computer science or some other engineering, if they know Fortran, it is about 20 years old program. Now C double plus, so many new Java, so many new things have come. So once any new things comes, they should try to attain it.
Okay.
They should pass some examination if possible, because young brains will have, they can pass through these examinations just spending few hours of preparation.
Yeah.
Huge number of hours they are put in when they want to clear BE. But once they finish BE, they should not think that I am BE, I can relax.
Yeah.
Because the world is going very fast. New things are getting As you know, ambassador cars were there once upon a time. Vespa scooter was there. Now nobody buys it.
Yeah.
New technology, new scooter, like that, new things we should first attain the knowledge, and especially students or those who have started their career, they should take up these examinations, online examinations everyone are conducting nowadays. That they should pass through so that they will be approved. So their graph will be always going. They will have exponential growth. That is my sincere advice. And serve the country. That is most important. Because whatever the country has given to us all these years, we should give it back to country. And they should also have connect with, being alumni, they should connect with their own college. Those students studying in third year, second year, they should help them. At least each one help one student of their knowledge or whatever they know. Then this young group who are taking up this education also will get help. So whatever, first we should take something and give it to someone, share it to our juniors.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure, sir. That was really some great advice. Pretty sure that it will reach out to a lot of students and they will be able to take something positive out of this. And really, and thank you so much for sharing so much information about you and the Oxford group. I'm pretty sure it will be very enlightening to a lot of students who are seeking admission into your college. So thank you once again, sir, for taking out such precious time of yours and being here today on this panel. So once again, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Ramesh, for Collegedunia giving me this opportunity to say a few words to you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.